Hey there, frustrated because your Wi-Fi router is identifying the network but showing no internet connection? You're not alone. And today we're tackling how to fix Wi-Fi router identifying network with no internet. It's a common issue that interrupts just about everything: work, streaming, or even your smart home devices. Fear not, as we're going to walk you through some straightforward solutions that could get you back online in no time. Let's dive into the essential steps to reconnect you to the digital world. Step 1. Restart your devices. First things first, try restarting your devices. Begin by turning off your router and modem, as well as the device you are attempting to connect with, such as your phone, tablet, or computer. Unplug your router and modem from the power source. Wait for at least 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. Allow them a few minutes to fully reboot. Restart your device and check if you're back online. Step 2. Check your connections. The next step involves inspecting all the cables and connections. Ensure that your Ethernet cables are securely connected to the correct parts on your router and modem. A loose or damaged cable might be the culprit. If available, swap the cables with a known working one to see if it resolves the issue. Also, double check that your ISP service is active without any outages in your area. Step 3. Update your router firmware. Updating your router's firmware can resolve bugs and improve connectivity. Log into your router's admin page, typically done by typing the router's IP address into a web browser. Check the manufacturer's website for the latest firmware version and update as needed. Ensure to follow the instructions closely, as incorrect installation might cause additional issues. Step 4. Reconfigure network settings. Sometimes misconfigured settings can prevent internet access. On a computer, go to your network settings and remove or forget the Wi-Fi network. Then reconnect by entering the password again. On your router's settings page, reset the device to factory settings if needed, and reconfigure it using the setup wizard provided by the manufacturer. Step 5. Change the wireless channel. Wireless interference can cause connectivity issues. Access your router settings and look for the options to change the wireless channel, which might be set to automatic. Try different channels such as 1, 6, or 11, which are typically less congested. This could reduce interference and improve Wi-Fi performance. Step 6. Contact your internet service provider. If all else fails, your ISP could assist in diagnosing the problem. There might be issues from their end or steps you need to perform that are specific to their service. They could provide remote assistance and check if your service has any underlying issues, or provide advice tailored to your specific situation. Dealing with a Wi-Fi router that identifies the network with no internet can be a nuisance, but it's often solvable with a few methodical steps. By restarting devices, checking connections, updating firmware, reconfiguring settings, and even reaching out to your ISP, you increase your chances of effectively solving the problem. Always remember to conduct these steps safely and ensure your router is set up securely post-fix. With these insights, you'll be on your way to a stable and reliable internet connection, ready to stream, work, and play without interruptions. Good luck and stay connected.